Hello boys and girls, welcome to your math lesson. This week we will continue learning about numbers and counting, okay? So we will learn our numbers from 1 to 5 and how to recognize the numbers 1 through 5. And this is very important for us to learn because there are numbers everywhere. And we will also learn how to count objects. That is also very important because it is a skill that we need so that we can learn how to count things around the world, around our life, right? We need to know how to count our money, how to count our objects for many different reasons. So that's a very important skill that we need to have. So remember, that's what we're going to be learning this week, okay? Okay, so we're going to start by counting dots. So how many dots do you see here? 1, right? That is 1 dot. And this is what the number 1 looks like, okay? So this is 1 dot, and this is what the number looks like, number 1. Okay. What about this one? How many dots does it have? 2, right? 1, 2. This is what number 2 looks like, okay? Number 2. Okay. How many dots do we have here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3. We have 3 dots. This is what number 3 looks like. Okay, so when we see it around, when we see this number, we're going to know, oh, that's number 3. How many dots do we see here? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is number 4. Let's count this one. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is what number 5 looks like. Good job. Okay, so now I'm going to show you this. Our homework is going to look very similar to yesterday's. We're just going to change the shapes that we're moving around, okay? So I wanted to practice with this one right now. Today we're going to be using cubes. So this is a cube. See it right here? They can connect with other cubes. But today we're not going to do that. Today we're going to use them to look at the numbers and put how many cubes each number says, okay? So let me show you. I'm going to get out of the view so that you can only look at that. Okay. So, and the finger gives you a clue. What number is that? 1, right? So we put 1 finger, we touch it, we know it's 1. What number is that? 2, right? 1, 2. So we're going to put 2 cubes, 1 finger, that makes 2. Okay? This one? 3, right? So we're going to put 3 cubes. 1, 2, 3. 1 for each finger. Right? Okay, let's move over here. What number is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's number 4. So I'll put them here and then I'll fix them, okay? So that I can touch 1 per finger. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. I have my 4 and I'm going to put them this way. Okay. What number is that? My whole hand. How many fingers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let me put 5 cubes. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. So we'll put it this way. We can take a look at all our cubes. Oops, trying to fit them all in there. I'll put them this way so you can look at them. Okay, push it this way. Okay, remember that's number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Do you notice anything about the cubes? Did you notice anything about the cubes? So like with number 1, we have very little cubes. Number 2, a little bit more, but still have a few. Number 3 still kind of has a few. 4 has more. 5 has more. So as the number increases, we have more things, right? Here we only have 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Okay? So that's what your homework is going to look like today. It's the same like yesterday. It's just the things that you're going to move are going to look different. So you're going to move them. You're going to count them. You can use your finger to touch it. You move it with the tablet and then put your finger. Make sure it's, if it's number 1, that you have 1 thing. If it's 2, that you can touch 2. And your mommy can help you, okay? All right, that was your math lesson for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you tomorrow.